So if you are a person like me who has limited storage in the bathroom area, this video is for you. I recently got this 5-tier rolling utility cart and I absolutely love it. So at first I was like, ooh, is this gonna be like too big for my bathroom? But it is perfect. You will see later in the video, I found the perfect spot for it and it is working so well. Now this is going to come with 5 different shelves, and I love that the shelves are a little deep so my products don't fall out or, roll out or slide out. It actually keeps them in there. Of course, you can use this kitchen, bathroom, beauty room, laundry room, wherever you want to. Like I said, I chose my bathroom just because we had a ton of products. Now, this is on wheels, so you're able to roll it around wherever you need to, and it's just super convenient. Assembly is super easy and it is a one-person job. All you have to do is slide the wheels on, put the tray down, and then add the poles and the little joints on top of that and keep going until you reach the top. Like I said, it is super simple. And just like that, assembly is done. Like I said, this is super easy to put together. I'm using it in my restroom area. And even if you spill something in here, cleanup is super easy. So if you are in need of a cart like this, this is the perfect one for you.